The advice I would give myself when I was younger, when I first got here in Spain, was probably be patient. Everything has its time. Just take things slow. Don't try to rush things. They come naturally to you. If you work hard enough, they come naturally to you. I'm João Cater. I'm from Brazil. I'm 20 years old, and I'm a student here at Momo Culinari in the center of Madrid. I've been here for the past 3 years, and we're now recently working on a new project called Tetsu, an upcoming restaurant. I was 14 when I arrived in Spain, and it was a bit of a culture shock to me. I didn't know how to speak Spanish. I learned so much because you listen. You listen a lot. And I do the same thing in kitchens. I still miss Brazil very much. Most of my family is still in Brazil. My dad is in Brazil. When I was younger, I missed it way more because of my friends, my family. But you started growing a bit older, and you start making new friendships. You start working on new projects. You start a new life, basically. I'm constantly around smarter people than me. They're more knowledgeable, they have more experience, and I like to be around those people. I like to feel dumb sometimes because I can listen to them and I can learn. And that's exactly what I did when I first got here.
Esto es un libro del último restaurante que he estado de prácticas, el Ciel de Can Roca. Es un restaurante con 3 estrellas Michelin en Girona y bueno, siempre acabo volviendo a este libro para un poco de ideas, de combinaciones de sabor, de aromas, de texturas. Me parece muy interesante las cosas que hacen. Y haber experienciado también muchos de esos platos, haber trabajado dentro de la cocina, es un punto de vista distinto de a lo mejor una persona que no lo haya vivido. Y hablando de eso, ahora viene mi mano derecha, que nos va a ayudar. Vamos a hacer un brainstorming de platos y vamos a mirar productos, temporadas, vinos, frutas, un poco de todo. A ver qué podemos hacer para que sea interesante en Tetsu. A ver, yo tengo pensado para hoy hacer lista de producción. Seguimos con lista de pedidos y luego empezamos a hacer un brainstorming de platos.
Since I started cooking, I haven't been able to go back. There's always something that comes up, and I've been working for the past 2 years nonstop, but it's been very fun. It's been fun going around a lot. I was recently in Girona, del Ciel de Can Roca. I did an internship there for the last 4 months during the summer, and it was amazing. And beforehand, I was in Chile in a Chilean restaurant. It's called Borago. It's in top 29 of the world, and it was also an amazing experience. I like to say that I'm Brazilian, but I'm a Spanish cook. I was formed here. I studied culinary here, gastronomy here. I think it's very important for European cooks to get out of the Spanish, not Spanish, but the European gastronomic bubble and just go out there and experience that. See new products, see new ways of thinking, new ways of cooking, new ways of working. The more you travel, the more you learn. And you get to meet incredible people on the way. We're now recently working on a new project called Tetsu, upcoming restaurant. Miguel is taking more of the managing side of the project. I'm taking care of the kitchen, and we've made a very good team together. It's been a very tiring and very hard-working last 3-4 months, but it's been very fun also. We've worked really, really hard on this. Miguel and I, we're very different in our own ways. Each one comes from a different background, but somehow we fit very well together. We're both very creative, and we never agree with each other, and I love that. When you have a different point of view and you work with a different point of view, you're never stuck in the same page. You're always turning the book. We do not get tired. Miguel and I, we do not get tired. We always want more. always want more.